You're aggressive.
Hey, Darren, you gonna be a good match, man.
Watch that shoot, reshoot.
Watch it, watch it. Heavy leg, heavy leg, heavy leg.
You're good.
Don't give up, don't give up.
Keep moving, keep moving.
There you go.
Good, there you go. Hey, circle in, circle in, circle in. Here we go. Hey, use that arm. Look for a drag.
Watch it, watch it. Ooh, right there.
Hey, get the wizard, 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 wizard.
Come on. Come on, keep spinning.
Come on, keep on turning.
Come on. Trying to get a leg.
30 seconds, let's go, let's see movement, let's see movement. Forward pressure, good forward pressure, let's go. Going up, see that movement.
James, open this.
Head up, head up. 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Sit out, sit out. Go.
Let's go. We got injury time.
What happened?
I think he got kicked in the face.
I know he rolled through, but I didn't see if he got hit.
Yeah, that's how you know they knew. Because John was just laying there. He didn't do like some time out something. He's still going.
Just sit it down.
I think we would have told John. Never mind. He probably would have like knew he would have to do real good.
Oh, he probably been more nervous.
Well, I would.
All right, John.
You gotta be quick, gotta be moving. Keep that wizard, keep the wizard. Keep that wizard. So that shoot, reshoot.
Come on, John.
Keep that pressure on the head. I'll give that up. I'll give that up. I'll give that up. I'll give that up.
All right.
Toes down. Toes down. Get that leg free. Get that leg free. Good. You good? Oh, 1 minute. Let's go. Keep the pressure. If he's walking in, set it up.
He's gonna walk in.
Pushing in, let's go.
Let's go. Action.
Finish that. There you go. You're good. You're good. Keep that way. Keep that way. Working around. Working around.
Push on top.
Good.
Good. Keep it. Keep it.
Work it up. Work it up.
All right. Get on top.
Hey, get over. Left arm around. Left arm around the waist. Left arm around the waist. Left arm around.
On the waist.
Come on, John.
Weight on the head, head up. Weight on the head, more pressure. Weight on the head, keep your hands locked. 10 seconds for your ankle. Stay in position here, don't stop. It's up. Come on.
Oh, look at it.
Hey, you gotta move. 5 seconds. Let's go. 5 seconds. Go, go. 4, 3, keep moving, keep moving.
2, 1.
Oh.
Alright, great choice.
Man, tired. Don't know nothing about that third quarter.
Never had a whistle after the first quarter. You been pinning them after the first quarter.
Watch it.
Ooh.
Let's go, let's go. Use that arm as a drag. There you
Right
go.
there, right there.
There you go.
Stay on him, stay on him.
Keep that pressure. Keep that pressure.
There you go.
All right, let's go.
Come on, John, he's tired.
Go, go, go.
Watch it. Ooh. Your move. Your move is there.
He got his leg.
Can he do his move?
He got his arm around John's leg, so he can't do it. Come on, John.
And we're going on the other side of his head.
Can you still do it? You just gotta roll through?
Yeah, his leg gonna be there, though.
I know, but still.
And then he could, like, reverse it, and then John gonna be on the mat. Like that.
Come on, John.
Let's go, let's go.
Come on, John. He's tired.
Behind him, behind him. Get behind him. Good. Hey, let's go. Let's go.
He's tired, John.
Let's go. Hey, John. John, move him up, move him up. John, move him up, take him down. Let's go.
Come on, Ndayambaje.
Go, go.
John, come on.
He got about 20 seconds.
Come on. Come on, John, he's tired.
Hey, you got to move back. Hey, watch him granny. Watch him granny.
Keep him down. Keep him down.
Go, drive, drive, drive.